Here we go, HOBBYBOX604, back with another group break. We made history tonight. It is group break number 824, our sixth $10 break of the night. We've done 5 before, and tonight we did the sixth one. Busy night tonight. Thank you everyone for joining us and supporting. And here is the list. We had a few trades done, but I printed the list after the trades. So that's why you don't see the arrows. Anaheim Ducks is Stanley G, all the way down to Scratch Bagger and the Winnipeg Jets. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. And let's see what we get in our last break of the night. We start with our blaster. 15-16 Series 2 blaster. Base. We have a Young Guns for the Arizona Coyotes, Luis Domingo. Or Domingue. Base. For the LA Kings, Portraits, Jordan Wheel. See if we can get our new guy, the Sports Buff, something tonight. His first break with us, and he's new into collecting. So let's see if we can get him something. For the St. Louis Blues, a retro OPG rookie of Joel Edmondson. Who do you have, Sports Buff? LA Kings, Predators, Stinky Leafs, and the Canucks. Oh, Vancouver's usually good to hit with these. And we have a random to do between Buffalo and Montreal. Young Gun Checklist. Jack Eichel and Zachary Fucali. Stanny owns both, so no randoms. Thank you for saving me a random. Base. Randomized between Stanny and Stanny. For the Colorado Avalanche, UD Canvas, Gabriel Landeskog. Second one of they put tonight. Zach card. And for the Edmonton Oilers, Antoine Slepyshev. OPG rookie. What? Oh yeah, Scratch. There you go. You got an Oilers hit.
Nice, I need that.
Okay, let's go with Fleer Ultra 1415. Wes's favorite product. We haven't had a bonus in a while. Let's see if we can get a bonus in this one. And yes, finally. It's been a while since we got a bonus. Ah, Jambalaya. You said it, Wes, and we got it. Whose is it? Taylor Hall, Corey Perry, and for the Detroit Red Wings, Jambalaya, Pavel Datsyuk. Not bad at all. Good start. For the New York Rangers National Heroes, Henrik Lundqvist. No, Jambalayas are not numbered, but they are tough pulls, buddy. They are tough pulls. Steen, Sagan, Getzlaff, Oscar Klefbom. Gold medallion for the Oilers. That's what you wanted to, Scratch, right? Hopkins, McDonough, Stamkos. For the LA Kings, a road to championship, Marian Gaborik. Stuck in your nose? Stuck? Did you get a flu? Oh. For the Rangers, a Henrik Lundqvist gold medallion. Nope, but jambalayas are not numbered, but they are very tough to hit. They're one per case. It's number 20 of 42 from the set. There's 42 jambalayas in the set, and they're not numbered. Sorry, missed this. Rookie for the Washington Capitals, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Andrew McDonald for Philly, gold medallion. Jonathan Huberdeau, gold medallion for Florida. And a Teuvo Teravainen rookie for Chicago. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, buckets of Steven Stamkos. Ben Scrivens, gold medallion for Edmonton. For the Colorado Avalanche, platinum medallion, number 28 of 99, Nathan McKinnon.
28. One off.
Yeah, one off his jersey, you're right. And we have rookie redemption number 5. Someone can check that for me, that'll be great. A rookie redemption number 5. Thanks, Scratch. Keith Yandel gold for Arizona. Max Pacioretty gold for Montreal. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Gong Show Grinders of Cody Franson. Stinky Leafs is Big Buff, our new guy. Jack Johnson, gold for Columbus. Rangers in LA. Randomize this red light views between Rangers and LA. Bo Horvat for Vancouver, nice. Mike Green, gold for Washington. That's not bad at all. And our last card is a John Tavares for the Islanders. Bucket. Oh, and for the Stinky Leafs, we have a rookie card of Greg McKegg. Stinky Leafs hit a couple of times, actually. Not bad. And that was Fleer Ultra. Yep. I would be very happy with that box there, Gresla. Don't know why you hate it so much. Okay, let's go with totally certified, I guess. 1314, totally certified, box number 725. Yeah, I would have been happy with that box. Might have a couple of thick packs in here, not bad. Okay, totally certified. We start with a rookie of Jordan Schrader for the Vancouver Canucks. Oh, only one piece. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, we have Epics of Jaromir Jagr. Jaromir Jagr. For the Anaheim Ducks, a rookie of Sami Vatanen. And for the Winnipeg Jets, a rookie jersey autograph of Eddie Pasquale. Hey, Sandbagger has a hit. Sorry, Scratchbagger. And holy, this one's loaded. Look at all those hits. And that is 2 thick packs. We got another one. So this was one of those heavy boxes. Holy, I don't know where to start. Okay. First up is for the Colorado Avalanche, a Platinum Blue 6 of 50, Alex Tanguay. For the San Jose Sharks, a rookie of Nick Petrecki. For the New York Islanders, another rookie jersey autograph. This one is Thomas Hickey. For the Islanders. And a Crosby, very nice. Number 6 of 25, prime dual color for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. That's a big pack. Crazy. 4 hits in there. And we got another thick pack here. Yeah, another one. Come on. First up is 23 of 25 for the Calgary Flames, Platinum Red, TJ Brodie. For the Carolina Hurricanes, Ryan Murphy, rookie. For the Minnesota Wild, rookie roll call, Matt Dumba. And for the Nashville Predators, Mirror Blue, 1 of 25, prime 2-color rookie jersey autograph, Marek Mazanec.
I own that card too. Or I did at one time. 25 and I owned the other 5 too.
That was a good box. Holy. All this came from one box, guys. Totally certified. Huh?
Usually it's 1 hit a pack.
Yeah, it's usually 1 hit a pack.
Or sometimes you get a rookie and then
Yeah. That was crazy. Never seen a box like that. And that box has been sitting up there forever. Okay, we're going to go with SB Authentic 1415, and we're going to end with Clear Showcase. Yep. I wish every night was like this. There is no cup RPA. Oh yeah, I guess from Flair Showcase we could have a McDavid rookie patch auto. We start with a Young Guns for the Anaheim Ducks, Jesse Blacker. Yeah. For the Stinky Leaves, we have a Future Watch autograph, number 14 of 999, Stuart Percy. Same here, Stanley. Just the last name, I guess. For the Edmonton Oilers, Paul Coffey. And a Leon Draisaitl rookie. Zach Bogosian update. For the Coyotes, Future Watch to $9.99, Jordan Martinook. Martinook. First time I heard that name. Tyler Myers, base update. Martinook. For, don't tell me that has to be the random. LA and Dallas. Blake and Modano. Balada and, wow. Okay. For the Carolina Hurricanes, Mike Lute. For the Colorado Avalanche, Future Watch number 3 of $9.99, Colin Smith. Oh my God, we have acetate. Very nice. For the Dallas Stars, Young Guns acetate, Curtis McKenzie. Not bad at all. Young Guns acetate, Curtis McKenzie. He's local. Scratch. Curtis McKenzie is local. Brad Park for the Rangers. Polada, if that McKenzie is for sale, please let me know. For the LA Kings, we have Martinez, Alec Martinez. For the Ottawa Senators, Young Guns of Andrew Hammond. Not the high gloss. We did the high gloss last time. If you're buying all the spot scratch. Moments of Crosby for Pittsburgh. 2.
$10 personal.
3 Young Guns in here. Weird. And that is an auto. It is for the Ottawa Senators. Premier Prospect die cut rookie auto. Curtis Lazar.
Traded.
Yeah, traded team.
Jets for Ottawa. You confirmed that, I'm pretty sure.
Curtis Lazar. Scratch can smell the boxes, I think. For Dallas, Jamie Benn. For the Flyers, Jacob Voracek. For the Edmonton Oilers, not bad at all. 531 of 999. Future Watch autograph, Darnell Nurse. Hot boxes tonight, holy. For the Oilers, Oscar Klefbom, Future Watch to 999. For the Flyers, Jeremy Roenick. And the last pack has a Rangers hit. That is Mike Richter and Mark Messier. Pretty good box of SBA too. So far so good. Let's finish strong with Fleer Showcase. Uh, 187 or 817, you mean? Yeah, as soon as I log off, we'll upload that and that'll be the first break. Okay, there it is. Fleer Showcase, box number 781.
She might hold you to that, Scratch.
Good luck, guys. We start with a Rantanen for Colorado. For the Rangers, Mark Messier. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, we have a Blue Ice of Paul Coffey, number 85 of 99. For the Detroit Red Wings, Dylan Larkin, Metal Universe. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, a rookie jersey, Daniel Sprong. Another Blue Ice. This one is for Montreal, Zachary Fucale, number 101 of 199. Red Glow for the Ottawa Senators, number 43 of 99, Eric Carlson. There's our patch, and it is. Come on. Nope. Not bad. For the St. Louis Blues, number 270 of 499, rookie patch auto, 3-color patch, Colton Parayko.
Still scratching it.
It's not a Connor, but it still goes to you, Scratch. For Minnesota, Zach Parise. For the Coyotes, Oliver Ekman-Larsson. And Sergei Plotnikov for Pittsburgh. And our last pack of the break is a random, of course. David Musil, Brett Kulak, and Jordan Osterl between Calgary and the Oilers. Hot Prospect Trios, 118 of 599. Calgary is standing G, and Edmonton is. Give it to Calgary. Thank you for saving me another random there. Appreciate it. So that was Fleer Showcase. We still have 2 randoms to do. Kings Rangers and Kings Stars. One second here. LA. Okay, so that's the multi-randoms. The first one is LA and Dallas, which is this Rob Blake and Mike Modano. We're going to randomize it 7 times. The team on top gets it. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and good luck. 7th and final. LA Kings. That goes to LA. So LA, you got that card. Thank you. And the next one is between the Kings and Rangers, I believe. Right there. There you go, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Good luck. And that goes to the Rangers. I was just going to say scratch. If you get this one, you have to get me some lotto numbers, but nope, you didn't get this one. So it's not. So there it is, Rangers and LA Kings. So this was our history break, group break number 824. Thank you, everyone, for joining us. Appreciate your support. And we'll be back on Friday with more breaks. Thank you.